Hi, happy morning everybody. In last video, we people discussed about difference between the budget line and budget set, along with the derivation of budget line. And in this class, we are going to discuss one more very important topic, namely changes in budget set. Why the budget set changes? What are the reasons behind the changes in budget set that we want to discuss in detail in this class? We understood a set of available bundles of goods and services are depend upon prices of two goods or consumers income. Means the price and consumers income are major reasons for the changes in budget set. Changes in the prices of two goods leads to changes in budget set. In other hand, changes in consumers income lead to changes in budget set. In first case, we take changes in consumers income. Let's discuss in detail about that. Suppose the consumer's income changes from M to M dot. Here M means income, means previous income, to changes in income means M dot. But keep in mind, the prices of two goods are remain unchanged. Prices are not changing. Only income of consumer changes from M to M dot. With a new income, the consumer can afford to buy all the bundles of two goods, namely X1, X2. You can assume X1 banana, X2 mango. So the budget set equation also changes. Income of consumer changes. The budget set equation also changes. How? Previous budget set equation P1 X1 plus P2 X2 is equals or less than M. When income changes, the budget set equation also changes to P1 X1 plus P2 X2 is equals or less than M dot. This is the budget set equation when the income is previous. This is the budget set equation when income of consumer is changes. Note that the slope of new budget line. New budget line means when income changes, the budget line also changes. So that line is known as a new budget line. Note that the slope of new budget line is same as the slope of budget line previous. At the changes in income of consumer. However, the vertical intercept of the budget line is changes. Along with the income of consumer changes or the consumer's income changes. Let's discuss that only. If there is a increase in the income of consumer, yes, the vertical intercept means the budget line is increases means shift outward. So yes, intercept is increases and hence there is a parallel outward. Point is very important. There is a parallel outward shift of budget line. When consumer income increases, the budget set shift from left to right or outward shift. In this case, the consumer can buy. Consumer is offered to buy more bundles of goods and services at the prevailing market prices. It is a general thing. Our income is increases, our purchasing capacity also increases. Our purchasing capacity increases means we offer to buy more goods and services. Yes, in other hand, similarly, if the income of consumer goes down, if the income of consumer decreases, goes down, okay, means M dot is less than M. Changes in income is less than the previous income. The vertical intercept means the budget line decreases. Our income decreases. The budget line also decreases, and hence the budget line is a parallel inward. Inward means shift from right to left. Inward shift of the budget line. Means in this case, when income of consumer decreases, the consumer can buy less bundles of goods and services at prevailing market prices. This is a general thing. If our income is decreases, we offer to buy less quantity of goods and services at prevailing market prices. Yes, changes in the set of available bundles of goods and services resulting from changes in the consumer's income can explain with the following diagrams. Diagram A and diagram B. Yes, observe clearly as is it right? I draw on the board. Diagram A. Changes in income means increases in income. Diagram B. Changes in income means decreases in income. Suppose the income of consumer increases from M to M dot. Means here the M dot is greater than M. M dot is greater than M. Changes in income is more than the previous income. When the income is increases, the budget should shift outward. Outward arrow mark is showing, yes, from left to right. This line is a budget line at the previous income. When income increases, budget set shift outward, shift right side, means yes, M divided by X2, M dot divided by X2. Here the M divided by X12, M dot divided by X1, X1 outward shift. And diagram B, when consumer income decreases, the budget line shift inward, means from right to left. I show clearly here. Yes, when income of consumer is M, while it is a budget line. When income of consumer decreases, means changes income M dot is less than previous income M. Means yes, budget line is shift inward. Inward means from right to left. Means the M dot divided by X2, M dot divided by X1. At this case, the consumer can afford less purchasing capacity, offered less purchase of goods and services at prevailing market prices. Diagram A, when consumer income increases, budget line shift outward. In diagram B, when consumer income decreases, the budget line shift inward. In this case, the consumer income increases, the consumer can offer to buy more goods and services at prevailing market prices. In this case, the consumer income decreases, the consumer can offer to buy less quantity of goods and services, at prevailing market prices, which means the consumer income changes, budget set also changes, the budget line also changes. But only we discussed in detail in this class. Remaining we will discuss in next class. Thank you.